Hey YouTube, Maple Anglican here. This video is the second in a series suggested to me by a good friend of mine discerning for the priesthood. The intent is to explain Anglicanism to other Protestants on exactly why we are Catholics, particularly in our church governance and our method of worship. So without further ado, this is Anglicanism for Protestants. What is a diocese? A diocese is an area of the church under the control of a bishop and is the smallest part that is legally incorporated. The word diocese comes from the Greek word diocesis, which means administration. In the later Roman Empire, a diocese was an administrative area. As Christianity became the dominant religion of the Roman Empire, the term was used to describe the territory that an episcopus or bishop had authority over. When the Church of England separated from papal authority during the English Reformation, the style of church government was retained. Thus, unlike many Protestants, we still have dioceses. Most dioceses are named for the see within the diocese that contains the cathedral church, which serves as the bishop's seat or see. For example, the Diocese of Durham has its seat in Durham. As stated earlier, the diocese is under the authority of a bishop. He or she may be in turn supported by one or more assistant or suffragan bishops if the diocese is quite large in size or population. Dioceses can be split into groups of parishes called deaneries or archdeaconries. A senior priest will have intermediate authority given to them by the bishop. A bishop can usually appoint a number of officers, such as chancellor, who is the chief legal advisor to the diocese, or dean, who is responsible for the running of the diocese's cathedral church. Dioceses are grouped into ecclesiastical provinces. In most parts of the Anglican Communion, one of the bishops in the province is called a metropolitan, who has some authority over the other bishops and is ranked as an archbishop. In some provinces, the metropolitan always comes from the same diocese. For example, in the province of York, the Archbishop of York is always the metropolitan. Before the Reformation, these dioceses that were seats to the metropolitan were ranked as archdioceses. Although dioceses are under the authority of bishops, that hardly makes them totalitarian. The dioceses are legislated via synods, which consist of the clergy of the diocese and laity elected from the parishes. Thus, Anglican dioceses retain the oversight of a bishop like Roman Catholics, but require more involvement from the laity in the running of the church like other Protestants.